Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with Essentials. Check iOS and update the Google or Safari app so controls exist. Once done, open Settings and navigate to the Google app or Safari entry. This targets where Safe Search lives. Make sure you know your screen time or device passcode because you'll need it to lock changes. This prevents accidental toggles later. Begin here so you don't waste time chasing missing menus. The why is simple. Current software exposes Safe Search controls and screen time secures them. You'll enable Safe Search directly. In the Google App tap menu, Settings, General, then flip Safe Search onto Filter Explicit Results. If you use Safari, go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, enable restrictions and pick Web Content. Choose Limit Adult Websites or create an Allowed Sites list to control results. Use Transitional Checks, open Google. COM in Safari to confirm filtering. Lock these choices with your screen time passcode so they persist across app restarts and software updates. To finalize, set a screen time passcode if you haven't. This prevents anyone from toggling Safe Search back. Next, verify. Perform a search in the Google app and in Safari to confirm explicit content is filtered. If results still appear, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that account-level filters aren't overridden by other profiles or family settings. Troubleshooting tip. If filters fail, toggle Safe Search off and on, restart the device, and recheck account permissions. This refreshes policy enforcement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.